The importance of quality sleep.
Healthy, restful sleep is vital for physical and mental well-being. The mattress and pillow you use play a crucial role in the quality of your sleep. Poor support can lead to aches, fatigue, and restless nights. Understanding how to choose the right bedding materials is an important step in creating a sleep environment that helps your body recharge.
Choosing the best mattress.
Supportive mattresses help maintain healthy spinal alignment. When selecting a mattress, consider your body weight, sleeping position, and any back or joint pain. Memory foam, latex, inner spring, and hybrid mattresses each offer different levels of support and firmness. Try to test mattresses in person when possible, and look for one that keeps your spine in a natural position without causing pressure points.
Finding the right pillow.
A right pillow supports your head and neck while you sleep. Side sleepers generally benefit from firmer, thicker pillows to fill the space between the shoulder and ear. Back sleepers may prefer a medium pillow, while stomach sleepers often need only a thin, soft option or no pillow at all. Select a pillow that keeps your head aligned with your spine for maximum comfort.
Materials and allergies.
Mattress and pillow materials can affect sleep quality and health. Natural latex and organic cotton are breathable and hypoallergenic choices, while some foams may trap heat or cause irritation. If you have allergies or sensitivities, look for bedding labeled as hypoallergenic and use protective covers to guard against dust mites and allergens.
When to replace your mattress and pillow.
Worn-out bedding can lead to poor sleep quality and discomfort. Mattresses typically should be replaced every 7 to 10 years, depending on use and quality. Pillows often need replacing every 1 to 2 years. Watch for signs of sagging, lumps, or diminished support. Updating your sleep surface can lead to noticeable improvements in how you feel each morning.